A warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic mutton curry that can be stored or can be used as base for a lot of mutton curries. This video is basically for storage of large mutton quantities, but I have taken only 2 kgs of mutton today. So I'll show you a basic curry that you can make and use later, or if you're working and you don't have time to cook every day, you can make this once a week and use it for daily curries. So for this I have taken 2 kgs of mutton and 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 2 thinly sliced onion. So I'll transfer all these things in a big pot. I'll give it a mix, turn on the heat and put it on low flame. So we are not using any oil or water for this recipe because mutton will release its juices and it will get cooked in this. So this I'm showing you for 2 kgs. You can cook it for large quantities if you have 5 kg, 10 kg or 15 kg. 5 kgs of meat, you have to take 5 teaspoons of salt, 5 teaspoons of chili powder, fennel powder, and almost 2.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 5 onions. But always remember to cook it in a big pot. So here you can see that very less water is left now. It's almost cooked, so here I'll check the tenderness. Yeah, it's very tender, so I'll turn off the flame and let it cool for a while and then transfer it to storage boxes. And you need to remember, if you are taking large quantity of meat, you need to keep heat between medium to high, because it will release lot of juices and it may become very tender. So here you can see I'm transferring it to my storage boxes and I can just freeze them, and few of them I'll refrigerate, and I can fry it a bit and mix whatever I want to, like onions, tomatoes or any other vegetable of my choice. This is a very basic recipe and it tastes very good. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.